Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra dual drive USB Type-C pen drive for mobile. This is a transparent case. You can see what this particular pen drive for mobile looks like. So this particular device comes with two jacks. There's a USB-A jack and a USB-C jack with it, and it also comes with retractable connectors. This particular pen drive has a memory capacity of 256 GB and a write speed of 150 megabytes per second. It's quite a bit, and this is also compatible with most operating systems: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS 10.9 and above. I will now open this package rather, and show you what's inside. Okay, one other thing, it's over here, it says SanDisk Memory Zone app preloaded, install guide inside. So let's open this and show you what all you will find in this package. So these are the components of this box. This kind of tore out, that's okay. These are the components of the box. This is a quick start guide, installing the app on your phone. So this tells you how to install the SanDisk app on your phone and how to, navigate this particular device through it. So everything that you want to know, you'll find it over here. And this is the SanDisk dual drive USB Type-C pen drive for mobile. You'll notice the SanDisk logo on top. There's a knob over here, so this is what you use to control all the different connectors, the retractable connectors. If you shift to the left, you will get your Type-C connector over here, as you can see, and if you shift to your right, you'll get your USB-A connector. It has 256 GB written on it. This is it. This made out of plastic, and there's a metallic element over here as well. It also has this rugged design on top. I don't know if you can see this. This is very small, pretty easy to lose, but you will not break it easily because it has this rugged texture on top, this scratch proof texture on top. So the idea for this particular pen drive is that this is the part that goes inside your mobile. If you have a smartphone with a USB-A, with an USB-C port like so, and you want to transfer data from the phone to the USB drive, you can just put it in like so and then copy the data. So once you're done copying and you want to transfer it to, say, a PC or a laptop, all you have to do is switch to the USB-A port over here and then plug it to a USB-A port on a laptop or PC, and then transfer the data to the PC or laptop. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the SanDisk Ultra dual USB Type-C pen drive for mobile. Thank you for watching.